the best corn right now, and we're gonna get all the ingredients we need to make a fresh corn chowder. Let's hit the road, guys. I'm going to do 5 of these. And the 5 equals about 3 cups of corn when you take it off the cob. Corn is absolutely at its best. End of August. This is our dinner tonight. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm Renee and you're watching Island House Handmade, and today we're making a Farm Fresh Corn Chowder. I went down to the farm stand and got the freshest local ingredients grown here where I live on the North Fork. I got a bouquet of these most colorful carrots. These are just beautiful, straight from the earth. I've got 3 beautiful potatoes, all nice and dirty, straight from the ground. I got a green pepper, my onion. Of course, the star of the show is the beautiful corn. And I've got 5 corns that I'm gonna take the kernels off the cobs. We're gonna use some light cream, some chicken broth. I'm using a little thyme, salt, and pepper to season. At the end, we're gonna garnish with some grated cheese and sour cream. Yum. With bacon. I got Peter Luger's thick cut bacon. So we'll use 3 pieces of this, and we're gonna put this corn chowder together on this cool summer day. Start off by sauteing 3 strips of bacon. Get them nice and crispy, and then set them aside. This is going to be used at the end just to garnish. And we're going to use the fat that was in the bottom of the pan to saute the vegetables. Wow, look at this purple one. That's cool. I gotta taste this one. But they're not typical, and they're not, I don't know if they're in the grocery store. I only see them at my farm stand. So let's try it. Very earthy. It's not sweet. The orange one, The orange one's sweet. The purple one, it's like earthy. I'm gonna peel the potatoes and chop these into little diced cubes. And then like when it's flat like this, I just cut, and go, oh, nice little diced. They'll cook quick and easy, and they'll be nice and soft. Living here on the island is about simplicity. We don't have all the big box stores way out east, and it's really quiet, and you need to make a lot of things yourself. So that's why I'm a true DIYer. And the city life was great because that's where I made my living for 20 years, designing ladies' clothing. So that's why you'll see a lot of my sewing videos, and cooking is a staple here at the house, and we have such beautiful farm stands and local ingredients that it's just so fun cooking with all the fresh ingredients. But if you don't have all the fresh ingredients, you can use corn that's frozen, and you just need 3 cups. So this is all the corn that I got from the 5 ears of corn that I took the kernels off of. This is the 3 potatoes, the couple of carrots, an onion, and what else did I have in here? Oh, the green pepper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all these ingredients into the pan with the bacon fat. And I'm just gonna see all the greasy fat in there. I'm just gonna saute that, and I'm gonna use some chicken stock, but you could use vegetable broth. And if you're not a fan of bacon, just don't put it in, and just use everything vegetarian. The only seasonings I'm going to use is some thyme and salt and pepper. I added these of stock to the sauteed vegetables. Now I'm going to cover this for 15 minutes. Let it boil down a little bit all together. So I had these 10 minutes sauteed, and now 20 minutes in the pot with the broth. I took out 2 cups of all the ingredients that I'm sauteing and boiling down, and I'm going to put it into the food processor. I'm going to let this cool down a little bit more and then blend it all together and add it back to the chowder. This is going to make it really creamy and delicious. So we'll probably just have 1 bowl each. So we don't need too much, because with the sour cream and the bacon, this is gonna be hearty. And get that ready for dinner. This is very hearty, but I wanted to use all the farm ingredients and to make sure that we were satisfied after we ate this for dinner. So I'm just gonna add the processed corn and other ingredients back in. Give it a nice stir. Here's my cream. Beautiful, rich, and creamy. Farm Fresh Corn Chowder. Let this simmer, and your dinner is ready. time to garnish. I'm gonna put a couple of sprinkles of bacon and some cheese to melt on the top. Yes. Not a lot. And then, who doesn't love a dollop of daisy? And this, my friends, is my rustic farmhouse corn chowder. Now we have to taste. Bursting with flavor. All the natural ingredients. Really shines through. If you're still with me, thank you for watching till the end. And I hope that I inspired you to have a creative day, and thank you so much for watching. And I can't wait to see you on the next one.